Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the EUFY C20 map settings and options within the EUFY Clean app. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in our EUFY Clean app right here. Take a look at our C20 device. We can select the big green enter button and we're taken to this main overview where we have our map right here. And towards the right-hand side of the screen, we have a couple icons. The first one's your base station. The one below that is your edit map option. So this is where we can see our map settings. First, we have merge, divide, name room, and no-go zone down at the bottom. So let's take a look at those. Merge just means we can merge two rooms together if we wanted to, just like so. Divide is going to be the opposite, so we can select a room and then we can split it as needed, and you can reposition that. And then name room is going to be true to its name. You can grab a room and select the name here or enter your own name if you want. And then our no-go zone option, we can select that. And now we have three icons at the bottom. First one's virtual boundary. Think of this as just a virtual wall or barrier. If you want to add those, again, drag and drop or reposition as needed. You can add multiples of each. Here's our no-go zone in red. And then our no mop zone is going to be in that yellowish, orangish, gold color right there. So we can set up those as we see fit around our house with any obstacles or areas that we don't want our vacuum to go or to mop. And then lastly, on the edit map option, we have this little rotate icon so we can rotate the position of our map. And then in the top right-hand corner, we have our settings gear icon so we can select that. And we have our manage map option. That's the first thing up. We have multi-map saving. We can toggle that on or off if we want to save multiple floor types and maps. So we have multiple maps right here. At the very bottom, we can create a new map. You can select that to conduct a mapping run. And for the maps that we have three dots that allow us to rename the map or delete the map. And then back on the main screen right here with our map that we have populated, the three tabs at the bottom, we're going to go to that zone tab. This is kind of like a map setting and feature. We can do zone cleaning on this map, drag and drop where we want it to clean. And for those interested, we can add up to 10 cleaning zones at one time. So we have simple and basic map settings and features that we can customize with the EUFY C20.